Hello! Today I'd like to make a yo-yo.
Here is what to prepare: scissors, awl, compass, ruler, color pens, thick paper, thick straw, bottle lid, cardboard, yarn, and double-sided tape, cellophane tape. First, I measure the diameter of the bottle cap. Then I use a compass to draw a circle on a piece of paper. Next, let's punch a hole in the center of the cardboard. I cut the straw into 2 or 3 inch lengths. I make a gap of about 1 finger in the middle and make an incision to make a glue margin. I make a hole in the center and tie it through the thread. Let's tape the nuts to reinforce them. There's so much to do, just a little more. Almost. I stick a straw into a cardboard and tighten it with cellophane tape. Then I put the lid on the bottle cap. Finally, I draw a pattern on the paper and decorate the mechanism. And it's done.